Hello all you shadow crafters, welcome back to my channel. I got another little haul from Amazon today. Let's find out what's in it. Where's the good one? Well, I could certainly use more of this, especially when I'm sending out stuff. Yep, this is what I need. It's a hand drill, electric hand drill, so I can make my keychains. And there's my keychains. Wow, there's 130, there's supposed to be 130 sets in here. Is it? I don't know, but that looks like a lot. I'm not going to take these out just yet. They're supposed to be witch runes. Suffocation. Okay. Witch runes. There you go. A full set. There's like 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14. That's a full set for the witch runes. What's this? That's smaller than I thought. I'm trying to get myself ready for Halloween, you know. So, I'm going to make shaker molds, hopefully. I think that's neat. Oh, at least it came flat. It's a tray mold. I'm like this. I completely forgot my mom's birthday, so I'm going to make her a tray. Yeah, I'm glad I got the drill, because then I could drill these pieces in. Okay, thank you for checking out my channel. Come back sometime soon because I got another haul coming in another week or two. Okay, thanks for stopping by. Have a good day. Namaste.